Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful, cloudy and cold day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Today I have a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. It says a 5.3 liter V8 and an 8-speed automatic transmission. It has 52,000 miles, a little over, so you still have the remaining of the limited powertrain warranty left. Come inside here and you have a dark walnut and slate leather interior. You have power mirrors, power windows, power locks, memory seats. Come over here to your seats. You have power seats. You have heated seats, dual climate control. Come up here and you have a backup camera. You have the trailering package, so you do have the integrated brake controller. Here's some charging ports. You come up here and you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as long as they are plugged through the USB. You have a trailering app to help you out with lights and checks. If you have the OnStar data package, you have Amazon Alexa and GMC Maps Plus. Come over here and you have a heated steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth. Here's your menu settings. 52,793,000 miles. You have four-wheel drive, and here is your tow haul mode, or your, well, I guess it's sports mode. That's what you got on here, and your lights. It does come with all-weather GMC rubber mats. It is a 19, so they are used, but they do come with it. You come along back here, you have a short bed. This is four-wheel drive. As I said before, you have a side step rear bumper. You have the multi-pro flex tailgate. It has been out for a couple years now, so I'm not going to go over all the features, but this step right here is good for 375 pounds. I mean, this truck is beautiful. I love this body style. And this thing will not last long, especially with 52, a little under 53,000 miles. And it's a very popular truck. The 5.3 is very reliable, and a lot of people like it. So my number's down in the description. But also, if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll get our website and our social media links. So go to them, go to our social media links, like, follow, check on inventory if you're looking for something. It changes every day, so just keep an eye on that. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.